Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Did you know starting your day with suitable fruits can work wonders for kidney health and overall well-being? Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out toxins and waste from our bodies, making it essential to keep them healthy and functioning optimally. One of the most effective ways to support your kidneys is by incorporating specific fruits into your breakfast routine. This video will explore the importance of consuming these fruits for kidney health and detoxification and how they can help cleanse your kidneys naturally. Maintaining healthy kidneys is vital for overall well-being. These bean-shaped organs filter blood, remove waste products, and balance bodily fluids. Supporting your kidneys with the proper nutrients can promote better kidney function and prevent various kidney-related issues. Fruits are nature's gift when detoxifying and cleansing the kidneys naturally. Certain fruits are known for their diuretic properties, helping to increase urine production and flush out kidney toxins. Additionally, many fruits are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Incorporating these kidney-friendly fruits into your breakfast can kickstart your day on a healthy note. From hydrating watermelon to antioxidant-packed berries, these fruits not only taste delicious but also provide a myriad of health benefits. Stay tuned to discover the top fruits that can support your kidney health and detoxification journey. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Top fruits for kidney health. Certain fruits stand out for their exceptional properties in promoting kidney health and detoxifying the kidneys. Blueberries, cranberries, and apples are among the top fruits known for their kidney cleansing benefits. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the kidneys from damage. These little powerhouses also contain high levels of vitamin C, fiber, and manganese, all supporting kidney function and overall health. Cranberries are famous for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, thanks to their high levels of proanthocyanidins. These compounds help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of diseases that can affect the kidneys. Cranberries are also a good vitamin C and fiber source, making them a great addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Apples are not only delicious but also beneficial for kidney health. They are rich in fiber and antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. The high water content in apples also helps with hydration, which is essential for kidney function. To incorporate these kidney-friendly fruits into your breakfast, consider adding them to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie. You can also enjoy them as a refreshing fruit salad or snack throughout the day. By including these fruits in your breakfast routine, you can give your kidneys the support they need to function optimally and stay healthy. Tips for maintaining healthy kidneys. Healthy kidneys are essential for overall well-being, and several practical tips can support kidney health. Hydration is critical for supporting kidney function and preventing kidney issues. Drinking adequate water helps flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, promoting optimal kidney function. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water daily to keep your kidneys hydrated and functioning efficiently. A balanced diet is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals to provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that support kidney health. Foods rich in potassium, such as bananas and sweet potatoes, can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Regular exercise is beneficial for overall health and kidneys. Physical activity helps improve blood flow to the kidneys, promoting better filtration and waste removal. To support kidney function, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Avoiding excessive salt and sugar intake is essential for kidney maintenance. High salt intake can lead to high blood pressure, which can strain the kidneys over time. Excess sugar consumption can also contribute to kidney damage and increase the risk of kidney disease. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods and limit your intake of salty and sugary snacks to protect your kidneys. By following these tips and making small lifestyle changes, you can take proactive steps to maintain healthy kidneys and support your overall health and well-being. Detox and healthy breakfast ideas. Start your day on a delicious and nutritious note with breakfast ideas that support kidney detoxification and promote overall health. Here are some creative and kidney-friendly breakfast options to kickstart your morning routine. Try blending watermelon, pineapple, and kiwi for a refreshing and kidney-cleansing smoothie. Watermelon is hydrating and rich in antioxidants, while pineapple and kiwi provide digestive enzymes and vitamin C. This vibrant smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support kidney health. Oatmeal is a versatile breakfast staple that can be customized to support kidney detoxification. Try topping your oatmeal with a mix of berries, such as blueberries and raspberries, and a sprinkle of nuts, like almonds or walnuts. Berries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, while nuts provide healthy fats and protein, making this a kidney-cleansing breakfast option. Consider avocado toast topped with sliced tomatoes and fresh herbs for a savory twist. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit rich in potassium and healthy fats, which can support kidney health. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that may help protect the kidneys from damage. Pairing these ingredients with whole grain toast creates a balanced and kidney detoxifying meal. Incorporate these creative and nutritious breakfast ideas into your morning routine to support kidney detoxification and overall health. Whether you prefer a refreshing smoothie, a hearty oatmeal bowl, or a savory avocado toast, these options will satisfy your taste buds while nourishing your body from the inside out. Kidney detox at home. Embarking on a natural kidney cleanse at home can be a simple yet effective way to promote kidney health and function. By using readily available ingredients, you can help your kidneys eliminate toxins and waste products, ultimately enhancing their overall well-being. Natural kidney cleanses offer a range of benefits, including improved kidney function, reduced inflammation, and enhanced detoxification. Incorporating ingredients known for their kidney cleansing properties can help your kidneys perform their vital filtration role more efficiently. To perform a DIY kidney detox at home, prepare a kidney detox drink or salad. One popular kidney detox drink includes water, lemon juice, cucumber slices, and ginger. Lemon juice is a natural diuretic, while cucumber and ginger help flush out toxins and reduce kidney inflammation. Alternatively, you can create a kidney detox salad using ingredients like leafy greens, beets, and parsley. Leafy greens are rich in antioxidants and chlorophyll, which can support kidney health, while beets contain betaine, a compound that may help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Parsley is known for its diuretic properties, aiding in eliminating kidney toxins. Before attempting a kidney cleanse, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing kidney issues or medical conditions. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure a kidney cleanse is safe and suitable for your health needs. By taking these precautions and following simple instructions, you can perform a natural kidney cleanse at home to support your kidney health and well-being. Natural kidney cleanse methods. Various methods and remedies can support optimal kidney health when naturally cleansing and detoxifying the kidneys. Incorporating these natural approaches, from herbal teas to kidney-friendly foods and lifestyle practices, can help promote kidney detoxification and overall well-being. Herbal teas have long been used for their kidney cleansing properties, with dandelion root and nettle leaf as popular choices. Dandelion root tea is known for its diuretic effects, helping to increase urine production and flush out kidney toxins. On the other hand, nettle leaf tea is rich in antioxidants and may help reduce kidney inflammation, supporting their detoxification process. Certain foods can also aid in kidney detoxification. Garlic, ginger, and turmeric are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect the kidneys from damage and support their natural detoxification processes. Including these foods can provide essential nutrients that promote kidney health. In addition to herbal teas and kidney-friendly foods, lifestyle practices play a crucial role in maintaining overall kidney health. Regular exercise can improve blood flow to the kidneys, enhancing their filtration and detoxification functions. Managing stress through meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can also benefit kidney health by reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation. By incorporating herbal teas, kidney-friendly foods, and healthy lifestyle practices into your routine, you can support natural kidney cleanse methods that promote detoxification and overall kidney health. These natural approaches offer a holistic way to care for your kidneys and enhance their function for optimal well-being. Understanding kidneys and common issues. To genuinely appreciate kidney health's importance, it is essential to understand the vital functions of these bean-shaped organs and the common kidney-related conditions that can impact overall well-being. Let's delve into the intricate world of kidneys and explore conditions like chronic kidney disease and kidney stones. Kidneys play a pivotal role in maintaining internal balance by filtering blood, regulating fluid levels, and eliminating waste products from the body. They help remove excess water, salts, and toxins, ensuring that our blood remains clean and our bodily functions run smoothly. Without healthy kidneys, our bodies would struggle to maintain proper fluid balance and eliminate waste effectively. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a progressive condition characterized by the gradual loss of kidney function over time. Common causes of CKD include diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain autoimmune diseases. Symptoms may include fatigue, swelling, and changes in urination patterns. Risk factors for CKD include age, family history, and lifestyle factors like smoking and poor diet. Kidney stones are solid deposits that form in the kidneys when certain substances in the urine crystallize. These stones can cause intense pain when they pass through the urinary tract. Risk factors for kidney stones include dehydration, a diet high in sodium or oxalates, and certain medical conditions. Symptoms may include severe back or abdominal pain, nausea, and blood in the urine. Prevention strategies for kidney issues include staying hydrated, maintaining a healthy diet low in sodium and processed foods, managing underlying health conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, avoiding smoking. Adopting these lifestyle changes and seeking regular medical checkups can reduce the risk of kidney-related conditions and support optimal kidney health for a vibrant life. By incorporating kidney-friendly fruits, following tips for maintaining healthy kidneys, and making mindful lifestyle choices, you can support your kidneys and enhance your overall well-being. Consuming kidney-friendly fruits like blueberries, cranberries, and apples can play a significant role in detoxifying and cleansing the kidneys naturally. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients that support kidney function and promote detoxification, making them essential additions to your diet for optimal kidney health. Remember the importance of maintaining healthy kidneys through a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and avoiding excessive salt and sugar intake. These simple yet impactful lifestyle choices can go a long way in supporting your kidneys and reducing the risk of kidney-related issues. We encourage you to take action toward better kidney health by implementing the tips and strategies shared in this video. Subscribe to our channel for more health-related content, and share this video with others interested in learning about kidney health. Let's prioritize our kidney health and empower ourselves to live vibrant, healthy lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards optimal kidney health.